How to manage your interactive videos on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your interactive videos on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it and then click settings. And now just go down and here you will find activity log. Click on it and then go to interactions and you will find here this one, interactive videos. Click on it and here you can manage your interactive videos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.